Your credit score is a crucial factor that influences your financial well-being. A higher credit score opens doors to better loan terms, lower interest rates, and increased financial opportunities. If you find yourself in need of a rapid credit score boost, it's essential to understand that there are no magical shortcuts to credit repair. However, there are some smart credit repair hacks that, when used responsibly, can help accelerate the process. In this article, we will explore 5 effective tricks to rapidly improve your credit score. Review and dispute errors on your credit report. The first step in any credit repair journey is to obtain a copy of your credit report from each of the major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Carefully review the reports for any inaccuracies, such as incorrect account information, late payments, or accounts that don't belong to you. Disputing these errors with the credit bureaus can lead to their removal, potentially giving your credit score an immediate boost. Utilize credit utilization. Credit utilization refers to the percentage of your available credit that you are currently using. A high credit utilization ratio can negatively impact your credit score. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30% to maintain a healthy credit profile. Paying down credit card balances and reducing outstanding debt can quickly improve your credit score, as it demonstrates responsible credit management. Become an authorized user. If you have a trusted friend or family member with a well-established credit account and a history of on-time payments, consider asking them to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. Being an authorized user can help you piggyback on their positive credit history, which may lead to a boost in your own credit score. However, make sure the primary account holder has excellent credit habits, as any negative activity could harm your credit. Negotiate with creditors. If you have late payments or accounts in collections, consider negotiating with your creditors. Reach out to discuss potential payment arrangements, pay-for-delete agreements, or settlements. Some creditors may be willing to remove negative entries from your credit report if you settle the debt, which can significantly improve your credit score. Use Experian Boost and other credit-building tools. Take advantage of credit-building tools like Experian Boost, a service that allows you to add positive payment history for utility bills and telecommunications to your credit report. This can be especially beneficial for those with thin credit files or individuals looking for an extra boost to their credit score. Conclusion: improving your credit score is a gradual process that requires discipline and responsible financial habits. While there are no shortcuts to genuine credit repair, utilizing these 5 credit repair hacks can help accelerate the process when used wisely and in combination with responsible credit management. Remember that building good credit takes time, so be patient and stay committed to improving your financial habits. Regularly monitoring your credit report and taking proactive steps towards credit repair will lead to a healthier credit score and brighter financial future.